Fish, aka LJS, Long John Silver.
What you caught today, eh?
Oh man, you know what I mean? Real quick, I was out like 15 minutes. Get my fish. I know. Check the hose out.
Okay, that's like Sheffield from the Yankees. Okay.
I mean, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's sunlight, man. Normal day in the fish light, man. Look. Let me see. That nigga right there.
My nigga Young Fishy Fish.
Yeah, early. I mean,
AKA You Got It, I Take It.
yeah. Okay.
AKA Seymour Cake, Seymour Kitty, whatever you want to call it.
And I go fishing like that. I go fishing.
Fishing.
Lucky,
he caught the fish and he put it on ice.
Yeah.
That's what he do. He put the fish on his wrist and put it on ice.
Shout out to the Shark Gang.
Shout, yes.
Little Spunky. AK, what's the name I made for him?
Emilio.
Nah, his hustle name.
Oh, Lulu.
No, Lulu. Fuck. Shit. Poppy Swing.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Shark Gang, AK Poppy Swing. Shirai, AK Sharon. Biggie, AK Jordan. J Shark Gang. That's it. No more.
So what the fuck is going on over here?
And I play football.
Hold on, but tell them about this new Louis bag you got hanging out from there. What's that right there?
Yep. They call me Tito Swing.
Okay. So you saying that girls ain't the only ones that could buy that?
Throw it in the bag.
Throw it in the bag. Okay.